ट्रांसलेशन की इस क्विज़ में आज आप सबका स्वागत है। द क्विज़ बिलोंग्स टू ट्रांसलेशन, दैट इज़ प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस, which occurs from the messenger RNA when it forms protein, different amino acids which are joined together by peptide bonds. This ribosomically proteins are synthesized from how many standard amino acids? So it was 20 earlier, now it is, the answer is 22. So 22 standard amino acids are actually required for the ribosomically proteins. The ribosomes synthesize the proteins from 22 amino acids, so option A is correct. Next question belongs to in prokaryotes. Most of the messenger RNAs are polycistronic. We all know that. The polycistronic arrangement belongs to prokaryotes, and in eukaryotes it is monocistronic. So the correct answer is option A, polycistronic. ट्रांसलेशन का मतलब ही होता है कि ऐसे ही प्रोटीन का फॉर्मेशन करना जिसमें डिफरेंट अमीनो एसिड्स एक दूसरे से पेप्टाइड बॉन्ड के साथ में जुड़ सकते हों। तो प्रोकैरियोट्स में मोस्ट ऑफ द मैसेंजर आरएनएज आर पॉलीसिस्ट्रॉनिक, सो द करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए, पॉलीसिस्ट्रॉनिक। Third question is that transfer RNA is a single chain of 73 to 93 nucleotides. Most have 76 nucleotides. The option C is correct. The approximately correct nucleotide, the number of nucleotides is 76. However, the range is from 73 to 93. So transfer RNA, which acts as the adapter molecule between the messenger RNA and the amino acids, and it is actually accurate answer is 76. Range is 73 to 93, but the approximate correct answer is 76. Option C is correct. Next question is the most abundant form of RNA in the cell. सबसे ज़्यादा कौन सा RNA सेल में पाया जाता है? It is transfer RNA. सबसे छोटा RNA होता है ट्रांसफ़र RNA, सबसे कम अमाउंट होता है मैसेंजर RNA का, and most abundant form of RNA in the cell is rRNA, ribosomal RNA. So the correct answer is option C. The correct answer is option C, ribosomal RNA. It is about 80% of the total RNA present in the cell. Ribosomal RNA. The most abundant form of RNA in the cell is ribosomal RNA. Option C is correct. Next question is that in eubacteria, that is in true bacteria, initiation of protein synthesis involves association of a small and large subunit of 70S ribosomes at the ribosome binding site. This RBS site or ribosome binding site of mRNA is actually Shine-Dalgarno sequence, HD sequence, and it is located 3 to 10 nucleotides upstream of the start codon. The start codon is +1, and upstream is found the SD sequence. And it is a purine-rich consensus sequence of about 6 nucleotides, 5' to 3' AGG, AGGU. So the correct answer is option D, all. That all is the correct answer. So the synthesis of all proteins starts with the amino acid methionine. Methionine is the amino acid which is synthesized from single codon, and the another amino acid is tryptophan, which is also synthesized from a single codon. All the proteins, whether it is eukaryotes or whether it is prokaryotes, it is being synthesized and it is being started from the amino acid methionine. So the correct answer is option D, methionine. All proteins in the cell starts with the amino acid methionine. So the correct answer is option D, methionine. The synthesis of all proteins starts with the amino acid methionine. In true bacteria such as E. coli, AUG acts as initiation or start codon. On rare occasion, UUG serves as start codon, and sometimes GUG is initiation codon, but when present within the coding region, it codes valine. So mostly it is AUG which codes for methionine. Sometimes it is GUG which codes for valine, but rarely it codes for methionine. And very rare occasions UUG also serves as start codon. So the correct answer is option D, all. AUG, GUG, and sometimes UUG codes for initiation codon. So the correct answer is option D, all. Next question. Eubacteria use initiation factors. How many initiation factors are found in E. coli? The correct answer is option B, 3. 3 initiation factors, IF1, IF2, and IF3. 3 initiation factors are required for the initiation of protein synthesis in Eubacteria, and the correct answer is option B, 3. Eubacteria use initiation factors 3. So Eubacteria means true bacteria. E. coli, we are talking about the E. coli in the real sense. So the correct answer is option B, 3. In Eubacteria involve 3 elongation factors, namely EFTU, EFTS, and EFG. The last D option is correct. EF means elongation factor, TU means temperature unstable, TS means temperature stable, and G means it uses the energy of GTP. So the correct answer is option D, elongation factor TU, elongation factor TS, and elongation factor G. So जो ट्रू बैक्टीरिया होते हैं उनमें वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द elongation factors, and these are namely EFTU, EFTS, and EFG. The correct answer is option D. And the last question is termination involves following factors in true bacteria. 3 stop codons, UAG, UAA, and UGA. 3 release factors, RF1, RF2, and RF3. Both are required. So correct answer is option C, both. Termination involves following factors in Eubacteria. That means 3 stop codons are required for the termination of protein synthesis in Eubacteria, and 3 release factors are required for the termination of protein synthesis in Eubacteria. So the correct answer is option C, both. This is all about the translation of in Eubacteria or in E. coli. This is all for today. See you